Only Oriental Rug Care New York can promise personal attention and clean your Oriental rugs. Oriental Rug Care provides the highest quality carpet cleaning New York services to the New York business community and the tri-state area. Since 1971, our family-owned and operated carpet cleaning New York business has gained reputation by keeping a high standard of professionalism. Our carpet cleaning New York technicians become qualified for service only after intensive training and then another 18 months of rug cleaning New York field experience under close supervision. We promise personal attention to the specialized needs of each individual customer. We invite you to try our carpet cleaning New York services and become one of our many satisfied customers. Our expert Oriental rug cleaning service is available at times to suit your needs and schedule. Our business is rugs. We know how to clean them, repair them, renew them, and restore them. We are proud to offer our expert Oriental rug cleaning services to residential and commercial clientele in the New York area. Call now 212-228-6300 and enjoy our free pickup and delivery service to all of our customers.